Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, it's better. Yeah.
I was just
Sorry,
upstairs, just watching shit with Ariana. You know that
yeah.
one born every minute. You know.
Oh, you're not watching that.
Oh, it's fucked. Seriously, that's
Why are you watching
the last
that?
thing you want to watch with a woman that's 9 months pregnant.
Exactly.
Fucking problem after fucking problem. You know.
How many more weeks now?
None. Well, one or something. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody close.
Fucking close. Fucking, and watching that shit, they don't put on the normal fucking where everything goes right, you know.
Yeah, it's always some drama.
Problems. Geez, that's some grey coming through your beard there.
I know. I'm in my bedroom at the moment because the kids all woke up.
Oh,
So I've
yep.
just got them in the bedroom. So that's
Be
why I'm not on my
quiet.
computer.
Yeah.
Hey.
Are you
Yeah.
on your phone?
I'm on my phone.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I actually thought this might be better anyway because it's got me looking at you.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Yeah, but I can't really share anything. Is that any problem?
No problem. I can share. Yeah. I've got the buttons. I got the power here. I got the buttons. Yeah, so I was just up there and fuck, it was shit, just sitting there watching that crap. And then I get a message, see you in 5 minutes, or what'd you text me? I can't even remember. But
you said ready when you are, cuz.
Ready, thanks. No, here it is. You said, hey cuz, ready when you are, and I just thought, that's my fucking ticket out of here. Oh, thank fuck. Oh,
love it.
What a fucking shit show that is, seriously.
That's going to be you in a couple of days.
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
No, hopefully it all goes smoothly. Epi fucking dural. That's all you need to know. Epi fucking dural.
That's what I said. That's what I tell everybody, you know.
The secret to pregnancy and birth, epi fucking dural.
Epi fucking dural. You know?
All you need.
Yeah. What are you drinking?
The creamy soda.
Ah, yep. No sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No sugar, yeah. Had a bit of a cold on the weekend, so I sound a bit husky. That's why.
Yeah.
Not COVID. I've had 4 rat tests. Still negative.
Yep. Oh yeah, I've moved my camera too, so now I've got, you know. Yeah,
where are you now? You're
just right next to the bar, you know, Manly. So you can see Manly.
Oh, yeah.
Alice Cooper, Manly. That Ariana took that down. There's Ariana.
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Is that a new machine?
Yeah, that's Street Fighter.
Oh no, that's Street Fighter.
Mortal Kombat. All the games. Poster above it. You know, Street Fighter. Anthony Mundine photo from, I don't know what year that. Oh yeah, 2007. You've seen that one?
Fighting there?
Huh? Yeah, your mate, the Solomon.
Oh yeah, that's the I think I told you my dad knows as many.
Then all the display cabinets there, and then in the end, the bar.
Yeah, I see where you are now. So you're in front of the telly.
Yeah,
the telly just
on the pool table that's got the ping pong thing on it.
Yeah, with you.
Okay.
Oh, good. All right. Well, I've got 3 topics.
Okay.
3 topics.
Well, we gotta do the first welcome to Aussie investors thing.
To Aussie investors, episode 3.
Episode 3. Yep. And now the disclaimer.
Yep. You know, this is not financial advice. This is only our opinions, and it's just us having a chat and discussing. And
next is our sponsors.
Our sponsors.
Who are we sponsored by?
If anyone would like to sponsor us, maybe Grecian 5 for me.
Who?
Grecian 5 for my beard. Grecian 5 for my beard.
Yeah. Yeah. And what else? And then, you know, your topics. I just thought I could press this button too. Look, check this out. I do whiteboard.
Well, this is just off the top of my head.
Yeah. No, this is good. And I can go here and just say, Grovesy's topics. 3 topics?
3 topics for episode 3.
3 topics. 1.
Will Putin invade Ukraine? Revisit from last week.
Okay. Did I spell that right?
Yep.
Yep.
That's right. Oh, no, with an E.
Oh, yep.
After the N.
Okay. 2.
What the hell is going on with Sydney house prices?
Yeah. I just wrote house prices, not Sydney house prices.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got the article for that one too.
Yeah, that's why I thought that would be a relevant one. And 3, what the hell's happening to Novonix? Why is it still
I can
dropping?
go, what the hell? WTH is what the hell?
Yeah.
What the hell? Fuck NVX.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah. Yeah.
What the hell? Fuck NVX. All right. Yeah. What's number 1? I forgot it already. Oh, Putin.
So Putin.
Oh, mate, Putin.
Last week you said that they wouldn't invade.
Yeah.
And I said I reckon that he would after the Olympics.
Yeah.
At this stage, it looks like they're pretty close to invading. But they're going, from what I read today, they're going to go into discussions between Putin and Biden. Yeah. So this week's going to be very interesting for financial markets, I think.
Yeah.
There's a lot of conjecture out there and all different possibilities. Like some people are saying the market will go down if Russia invades.
Yeah.
Then it could go down 15, 20% because it could spark World War III, because NATO would come in, from what I've been reading, and NATO has America and the UK and all of the European countries, well, most of the European countries.
Oh, yep.
That they would come in and back Ukraine against Russia.
Yeah, they got hotter chicks.
And they got hotter chicks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, as we discussed last week.
Yeah. Yeah. It's the only thing I can remember. Yeah. So
yeah, I think it's still a stalemate at this point. But
yeah.
Do you still think it's going to? You think they're still going to invade or not?
Well, last week I'd sold some gold when we did it, and then a day or two after I bought some Novonix. So based on my actions, I don't think Putin will invade. But at the same time too, I've had a bit of post-purchase dissonance. Yeah, so I've just been like, what the fuck have I done? You know, like I told one of my sisters, I haven't told the other one. You know, if you're already balls deep in a stock and then you're like, sell something else to buy more. I mean, what if you're already balls deep, what's more than balls deep? That's it.
Really balls deep.
Not really balls deep. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I bought some more shares. In NVX.
Well, you know, but you know what the old saying is, it's time in the market, not timing the market. So
yeah,
we all look like heroes when you pick it the right way, and you think, I fucked it up when you picked it the wrong way. But at the end of the day, me and you know that long-term Novonix is going to be successful.
Yeah.
So we could revisit this in a year's time and go, well, was it the right decision or wrong?
Yeah.
If it's sitting at $20 a share, you go, well, it was a fucking great decision.
Yeah.
At $5.
Yeah, it was a great decision. Yeah. No, I haven't bought some more NVX to see actions, and then, you know, I'd love to see something tomorrow, but it's in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. I just don't want to sell them, you know?
Yeah.
I just don't want to sell them.
I guess what you're comparing it against is gold. And do you think Novonix would go up more than gold? Well, I definitely think it would.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
like long term, I think it's definitely going to, percentage wise, gold might go up 20% in the next 5 years. Novonix will definitely go up more than 20%.
Oh,
can go up 10% in a day.
Yeah.
Like, it's phenomenal.
But yeah, so anyway, I've taken a punt and and it went down. Like, we're not talking about Novonix, but we just can't fucking help ourselves, can we? You know?
I know.
Can't fucking
Their love child.
What to do today? Well, this is the third point. You know, we're already on Novonix. We might as well just fucking call it the Novonix show. Seriously.
Yeah.
Well, look, here you go. Google. I'm all ready. Look, how ready am I? Google, and well, I thought I was ready. Look at this. I'm obviously not. There it is. Novonix. No, that's the Peacemaker. That's not Novonix. I was ready, I promise you.
So good.
NVX ASX.
I don't think it was down about 4 or 5% or something, I think, roughly.
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
So let's look at, that's 1 day, 4.6%. I mean, yeah, that pissed me off today. You know, I looked early in the day and it didn't change too much. You know,
but in saying that, a lot of the growth stocks went down today as well because of what's going on in Russia.
I bought here 560 something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, not that low. 560. About there. That's when I bought.
Yeah.
You know.
But if you have a look at year to
1
date,
month.
what's the percentage year to date?
Today?
No, year to date.
Year to date.
What's the percentage?
50% drop. Horrible.
50%. Oh no, sorry, the 1 year. 1 year, the next one.
1 year.
What percentage is that up?
75.
75. Yeah. So it still had a phenomenal run.
Yeah.
Look at it.
But look at it, like it pumped and now it's coming down.
Yeah.
Look, what's going on? What's going on, Grovesy? What the fuck's going on? What the fuck's going on?
Well, I think we need some supply agreements.
Yeah.
Or some other big announcements.
Yeah.
But I was reading on the some of the forums that they've just hired this lady. She's like a government advisor, liaison officer.
Yeah.
So that has got everyone chatting on the forums. Going,
what is she again? A government?
She's like a US government liaison officer.
Oh, okay.
So she goes and will go and meet with government officials and, you know, try and get these funding grants. That's what everyone's excited about. They're going, well, this must mean that they're going to try and get the grants, which you already knew that they were trying to get. Yeah. But this means they're deadly serious about trying to get, you know, like $100 million worth of them.
Well, yeah, it's worth paying someone.
To
try and get them, isn't it?
Do the negotiations.
Yeah.
So
just getting those grants too. It's just NVX getting exposure in America for American investors.
Yeah.
You know.
But also the other point that people were making were that she's going to actually ring the bell on the NASDAQ in the next couple of days. So I'm going to find out what day it is.
Ah, okay, yeah.
You know how they ring the bell?
Yeah, they make it a thing, don't they?
They make it a thing for new companies that have entered the NASDAQ.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try and see if I can get some footage of that, and we'll show it to the viewers next week.
Yeah,
because that's pretty exciting to be on the NASDAQ and actually.
I wonder if they play that song. Who sang that song? You can ring my bell. You can ring my bell. Remember that one?
Yeah, they could.
Quality song, that one. Quality lyrics.
Who sung that?
Oh, Richard will know, my mate. some, you know, one hit wonder nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that wouldn't be that song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that was something exciting that I read, that, you know, and what people were surmising was that, you know, with the ringing of the bell, there might be some major announcements that they'll announce before the ringing of the bell.
Yeah. I mean, the
that's
thing
normally
is,
what
like,
most companies
it's
will
new
do.
to the NASDAQ, but this isn't a
Yeah.
brand new company, you know, like
No.
they can just say, okay, hello, Mr. NASDAQ, I'm here. And you know what? Boom. Here's some news on our deal with VW. Boom.
Yeah.
Here's our news with our cathode development. Boom.
Yeah. That's what people are surmising.
We're going to Europe. Boom.
Yeah. They're saying it's going to be like, it's effectively one of those three decisions, one of those three announcements is what it will be. Yeah. But everyone seems pretty confident that they're going to expand into the UK.
Yeah.
Through Phillips 66.
Yeah.
And once they get the sign off from Minivero, whatever that company was called, that's doing the
Russian.
environment.
It's Putin's, mate. Actually, you know, the word Novonix in Russian means two or something. Not two, but again. Or I did Google it. Fuck, should I Google it now?
Yeah, Google it now.
Boring?
No, because Novo means one, doesn't it? Novo.
Look at this. What?
Or 9.
Yeah. No. What does mean in Russian? What does Novonix mean in Russian? Oh, it means a word in Russian, I promise you.
Yeah. Or is it Novo?
No, not just Novo. It means the word Novonix means something in Russian, but it's not named after the translation, the word in Russian. It's just a coincidence, you know?
Yeah.
Novo comes from Nova Scotia, and Nix, I don't know. Yeah. So
not sure why they put the Nix in.
But it is a word in Russian. Where's a fucking Russian when you need one? Hey? I'm sure all hot Ukrainian chicks are thinking that. Where is a Russian when you need one?
But you're right in saying the Novo parts, because they're based in Nova Scotia.
And so let's go to this whiteboard. Will Putin invade Ukraine? Done.
I'm saying yes. It's still to be decided.
No. Fuck no.
So we've got to revisit this time next week. It's going to be interesting to see.
Yeah. It's an interesting time to have investments, really.
Yeah.
And it's also an interesting time to have a little bit of coin to invest. So if you think, I did text someone this week, and he said, "Oh, I'm not going to buy stocks at the moment because there's going to be a war and the price of stocks are going to become cheaper." And I was like, "Well, if you think that, then buy some gold now."
Yeah.
You know, the time is now. Buy some gold, and if there's a war, and then sell in a couple of months after, Russia is,
or even Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
Bitcoin should be seen as a safe haven.
But to not buy anything now is, I guess it's just, you're taking a real punt now. But are you going to go safe haven? Are you going to go stocks? Because there's some cheapies out there right now. There really are. And so there you go. So I text this bloke and I said, well, if you think there's going to be a war, then buy some gold. And then in a couple of months, sell it and
then buy stocks.
Buy stocks, exactly. Yeah.
Yep.
Will Putin invade Ukraine? The answer is no.
Yeah.
There you go, cross. But we've done it. That's why the tick's there. So tick done. Okay.
Yeah.
What the fuck? NVX. What are we going to say about that? Fucking NVX, fucking NVX.
As we've been saying, what is going on with NVX?
Well, look, since I bought, it's only gone down 4%. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, it's only been one day, you know.
Yeah.
But it just pissed me off.
As we know, Mondays are always pretty slow.
You know, when you buy something and then the next day it goes down, you're just like, fuck this, you know?
Well, it's kind of like going to the casino, I reckon, and your first couple of spins on a blackjack table
sets the mood.
No good.
Yeah, sets the mood.
Whereas if you get
sometimes first couple of spins at the roulette, you mean roulette?
Yeah, roulette. Yeah.
First couple of spins at the roulette table, you miss. You're like, fuck this, I'm going to the bar. Yeah. That's how I feel.
Yeah. But if you win the first couple, you're like, right, I'm riding with the house's money.
Yeah. Freaking.
Let's go, baby.
Exactly. So done what the fuck with NVX.
Yeah.
It's a long game.
We maintain the rage with NVX.
When I bought NVX, you know, on Friday, I was just so happy. I was like, yes, I've made the wrong decision. All these suckers think there's going to be a war. I've just bought cheap, and I have bought cheap, you know?
Yeah. Well, tonight the market might go nuts in America.
Bunta. Tonight it might go bunta.
Because Russia hasn't invaded yet.
Yeah.
And they're going to, and because Biden and Putin are going to
they're going to fucking talk. And let's face it, if anyone could make you want to hit your head against a brick wall, it's your mate fucking Biden. You know?
Exactly.
Like
Biden will bore him to death and go, yeah, all right, I'm going to pull out.
He could fucking bore anybody, any country, any company. That guy is boring as fucking hell.
Yeah.
No war. I'm running with it. No war.
Yeah.
Okay, I did pull this up. What the hell is going on with house prices? Okay. I did email myself.
In particular, Sydney house prices.
Well, this is the article I sent you. Remember?
Yeah.
Sydney house, which is only a link. So now I need to copy this link, open a new thing, and put it here. Right? See if this works. Yeah. There it is. Rundown. Bondi House. Why am I speaking in American accent again? Rundown Bondi House sells for crazy, in inverted commas, crazy.
I can't see the article, though.
Amount at auction. A crazy. This has got. Why has this got two in single inverted commas over crazy, but double ones over here? Why is that, Grosy? Emphasis.
I can't see the article. I'm still looking at the topics.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, stop share screen. Try again. There.
That's better.
That's better. You can see that now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was lucky. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll read it again. Rundown Bondi House sells for crazy, see, single inverted commas.
Oh, yeah.
Amount at auction.
At auction.
A crazy price for a Sydney home has dispelled, there's a good word, any hope for first home buyers trying to get a foothold of the property market. Yeah. Click to unmute. No. Are we going to watch this? Let's watch this. We're watching this?
You are not just watching a performance.
But first of all,
I didn't watch this before. Did you watch this?
Nah, I didn't watch this.
I can't hear you now. Now I can't hear you. Wait, let's just watch this. Stay there, Grovesy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I can't hear you because I turned the volume down. I turned the volume down, but everyone could hear shit. Okay, watch this.
House prices in Sydney have risen by more than 55% in less than 3 years. That's according to...
Hey, have a think. So more than 55% in 3 years.
That's insane.
So house prices in Sydney have increased more than 55% in 3 years. So if you bought a house for $1 million 3 years ago, then it will be 1.5 million today. Correct?
Yep. It's insanity, isn't it?
Data, the median house price is up by almost 570,000 since the 2019 market low.
The median house price is up nearly 570,000. Yeah. So, yeah, that's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
570,000. The average median house price up 570,000 since 3 years. 570,000.
Economists say the growth has been fueled by falling interest rates, as well as increased household savings throughout COVID. The New South Wales government is discussing a new strategy to address the affordability crisis in Sydney.
Well, it's just saying fucking houses, right? Did you hear houses and apartments?
No, just houses. I heard.
So houses. So the affordability of houses, it's not the affordability of apartments.
No, correct.
You know?
Yeah,
so
they've failed.
So you still, so houses haven't fucking gone gangbusters, right?
Units, you mean, or apartments haven't? No.
Apartments. Okay. All right. So they're just talking about houses prices, not the apartments price. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm hitting stop. Is that okay? I just feel like into fucking.
But also, can I just say that the heading, what first home buyer is looking in Bondi for a start?
Fuck none. Fuck none.
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 So
none.
yes, Bondi's going up 55%, but what's Penrith gone up? And what's Penrith?
Well, I think that's average. Sydney house price up 50 was average in 3 years, right?
Yeah.
So Penrith would have gone up that too.
But I guess what I'm saying is, like, first home buyers aren't going to be buying a $3 million place in Bondi.
No, they're not.
Going to be looking for a $700,000 to $900,000 place.
It is a bit headline grabbing, you know.
Yeah.
And apartments haven't gone up like that. And if you looked at what first homeowners generally buy first, it's not a house generally. I'd like that statistic.
That's a very good point.
You know,
that's a very good point. Yeah.
You bought an apartment first.
Yes. Yeah.
I bought an apartment first.
Yep.
Everybody I know bought an apartment first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue watching.
That's actually a really good thing to look at for next week. What's the percentage of first home buyers?
Okay, well, you're going to have to remember, because I can't remember shit.
An apartment or a house?
On my what do people buy first in Sydney? An apartment or a house? And I bet it's fucking apartments. It's not fucking houses.
Yeah, same in Melbourne. I'd bet my balls would be like, it'd be probably 80-20.
Testicle. Let's go. Next one. You ready?
Yeah.
Would offer a contribution for first home buyers in return for equity in the property.
What the fuck was that? Oh, the banks are offering.
Well, the government, I think.
I missed it. I don't want to play it again.
Yeah.
Oh, let's hear stop. Anyway, I did send this article to you. Crazy. Can you see crazy? Crazy scenes at an auction. Okay, semi-detached house. So shit, you know, didn't stop eager buyers pushing the price up more than 1 million over its reserve. 4.95 million. What did you say? 3 million.
3 million.
For a place in Bondi. You got no idea, Gracie.
I'm on Melbourne prices.
It's 4.95 for a shithole in Bondi now, and not a full house. A semi-detached piece of shit.
That's ridiculous.
That's an eye-watering 700,000 above the price guide. Yep. All right. Okay. Scroll down. Look at that. You know, that's beautiful decor from 1962. You know, look at that. You know, grandma would love that decor. and those kittens. Wow, I love that. What's it called? Wallpaper. I love that wallpaper, the flowery wallpaper. Get me some of that. It'll never go out of fashion. COVID. The buyers went like it like a dog on the bone, he told the Sydney Morning Herald. We were gobsmacked, blah, blah, blah. Shut up. Okay. Despite warnings of property slowdown, the banks last week claiming properties would decrease by as much as 11% in coming years. It appears aspiring homeowners must wait a little bit longer before a drop. Okay. Even more extreme example. Okay. Inner West, eye-watering 1.25 million over its reserve price just before noon on Saturday. 100 people, 17 registered bidders. Jesus. It hasn't slowed down. Is that your point, Grovesy? The house prices auctions has not slowed down.
It is, but also that most first home buyers aren't looking in the inner west and aren't looking in Bondi to buy their first place.
No.
I think
I just said that the house price bonanza hasn't slowed down.
No, that definitely hasn't slowed down. But I think the media talking about a bubble and talking about prices dropping, 10, 15% is a bit overblown, because they look at examples like this, which are never going to be in the realm of possibility for a first home buyer. I
got a bit excited here, Grosy. Look, this is where I bought my first home, just there, Queenscliff.
Yeah, there you go.
My first 1-bedroom apartment, still got it. But look, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment sold for 3.475 million. The reserve was 2.9, meaning 575 above that. 1,000 properties in Sydney went to auction this week. Sydney house prices grew the most out of any capital city. Yeah. What the hell is happening with Sydney house prices? Views from the Queenscliff apartment. I was actually in Queenscliff today, just down there. Just straight down there, the Queenscliff pool.
Yeah.
Went for a swim.
I mean, look at that view. Like, you're paying for the view.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, aren't you?
Yeah, beautiful. That's where I was.
Yeah.
Yep, that's Queenscliff.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I sent you, a screenshot. It says January data shows the average price tag of a house in Australian capital cities comes to 1.066.
That's the average. Wow.
Is that right? This time a year ago, the national average was 851.
So that's a combined value of all the capital cities' house prices. Yeah.
Okay, but that's national. That's
national. The national.
Australian capital cities. Okay. Now Sydney's just gone nuts. Okay. Here you go. Read this. Now, nowhere is more evident than in Sydney, Australia. Sydney 2000, which has dragged up the national average considerably. The average Sydney home hit a record of 1.6 million in 2021. Up from 1.2 million back in 2020. Yeah, that's crazy, mate. So Sydney's gone up average from 1.2 to 1.6 since 2020.
Yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
I mean, I was about to say that's only last year, but no, that's 2 years ago, right? It's 2022, isn't it? It means each house in New South Wales, the New South Wales capital, Sydney, saw its price rise by $1,100 every single day last year on average.
Yeah. Which,
every day.
You know what I thought?
Every day.
You know what I thought when I read that, when I saw the text come through? I thought what that proves is that you need to buy assets. There's no point having your money sitting in a bank earning 2% or 1% and also that the only way to make decent money is either through a business, shares, or property.
Yeah.
Because there's no way that the average person can earn $1,100 a day.
Yeah.
Most people earn that a week.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how do you get wealthy in this world? You've got to buy property, shares, or run a business.
Or you make cryptocurrency.
Or some sort of thing, or some sort of store of value.
Yeah.
There'll be some sort of
There's,
value.
there's no way of becoming wealthy working 9 to 5.
Not 9 to 5.
Shit like this out there.
Yeah. But in
You know?
saying that, the 9 to 5 helps you get a loan to then buy that asset.
Yeah.
So
I'll just stop shift share. What's it called? Screen sharing. I almost said shift sharing.
Yeah.
Screen sharing.
It's amazing. $1,100 a day.
Yeah.
How is anyone ever gonna in Sydney be able to actually save a deposit?
Never.
You're going every day.
Never.
Every day you're going to be going.
Only
backwards.
way you can buy a property now is with the help of bank of mum and dad, you know.
Yeah.
Or
by buying shares, or like we've done, buy an apartment first.
Yeah.
Build up some equity.
Yep.
And then use that equity to buy the next place.
Yeah.
But the key is to actually do it.
Yeah.
Don't faff about. Just buy something.
Yeah.
And whether that be shares or a 1-bedroom apartment, like you did when we were younger, but just do it.
Yeah.
Don't fuck about. Just actually do it.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you're actually going to be going back. Well, especially at the moment, you're actually going to be going backwards because money's sitting in the bank. It's going to be earning less than what the CPI is running at the moment.
Yeah.
So,
and there's always that thought, like people that have a bit of money and like, I'm just waiting. Well, you know, how long do you wait for? You know?
Exactly. Yeah. And I mean, it's always good to have a bit of cash on the side, don't get me wrong, for a rainy day in case you lose a job or whatever. But anything that you got excess, you should be putting into something like shares and shares are great for young people starting out. Shares are a good way to grow that, grow that wealth. And to build up that deposit.
It's just a bit exhausting. I'm a bit exhausted reading that stuff, but you know, happy to be in the game, you know.
Yeah.
Have some apartments and have a house and you too. And
in saying that, we put our balls on the line 20 years ago. Yeah. Didn't we? To do it. Yeah. You go out, you get a job, you work hard, you save a deposit, you buy that first apartment.
Yeah. And I mean, there's still places you can buy now. There's heaps that can be
apartment wise
that you can afford on
definitely
on an income that we have or had in the past.
Yeah.
But they're not in Bondi. And then they're not in Queenscliff.
Yeah. But when you first bought in Queenscliff,
now.
Prices were pretty reasonable, weren't they? When you bought in Queenscliff, like 20 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah. So it wasn't. I didn't buy 20 years ago. Not that long ago. 15
years ago.
Yeah, a bit under. Yeah. Anyway.
But you did it. That's the point. I guess I'm trying to make is that you got to actually have action.
Yeah. All right, cuz.
No worries.
How long have we been rambling on for?
It's going to be 40 minutes.
Oh, yep.
We're going over.
Okay. I'm sure that's good, but it's working, this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. That was good.
Yeah, it was good. It's good to talk about property and we used to only ever talk about property, you and I.
Yeah.
We just talked about property every day for years and years and years and years and years. And now we don't. We talk about shares and particularly NVX, but also crypto and
gold,
a lot more
commodities,
stuff, you know.
Commodities.
But I think there's something about property that just gets in your blood and it's just so good, isn't it? You know? Yeah.
Once you're in the game, it's great to be in the game.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
And it's a good feeling to own your house. you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I mean, some people say, "Oh, don't buy a house, but put all your money into shares and everything." But there's always that feeling that you're not going to get kicked out because you own this house.
Yeah. Yeah.
The landlord's not going to kick you out.
Yep. Yep. It's yours. You can improve on it. Look at this man cave. Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like this
was
was
the man
a
cave.
shithole, you know?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
wouldn't
exactly.
even walk in here, you know?
Yeah.
And look at it now. I don't want to leave here.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right, cuz. I'm going to go to
No
bed.
worries. Good one.
That was a good episode.
Good episode. Yep, I liked it.
Okay.
I like the writing of the points. That was a good one.
Yeah. We got to do that. We could call it Gravesy's points each time. I can even tick this one. Look, and now I've got to tick.
Yeah.
What the hell is going on with house prices? And the answer is just going up and up
It's
and
going
up.
up and up.
And what's it going to continue to do? Well, it's going to keep going up, but just not as much. What's it going to do is our apartments going to start going up more, you know?
Well,
because
rents
are going to go up soon because international borders are open, more people are coming in. So that'll be the next thing that we'll see.
Good topic for next week.
Yeah, rents.
Yeah.
You know,
because I think I heard something the other day. Well, it was either in Melbourne or Sydney.
Yep.
It's the biggest gap in price differential between houses and apartments at the moment.
Yeah, wow.
In terms of the median price.
Yeah. So if you do want to buy a place, or you do want to buy something, maybe, you know, and you're thinking of it strictly as an investment, maybe apartments are going to see more.
Yeah, apartments in the inner city.
Yeah,
could be a really good place to buy at the moment.
Yeah.
Let's revisit that next week.
All these points that we kind of think you gotta write them down, because I can't.
Yeah, I'll start writing them down.
You're the point guy, and I'm just the guy who just comes in and interjects. Oh yeah. All right, cuz.
All right, mate. Speak to you later.
See ya. Go NVX. Okay, what's NVX going to be this time next week?
Well, hopefully, bloody back to $7 around that.
I'm going to just say up.
Yeah.
If it's up, I'll be happy.
Yeah, definitely. See you guys.
See ya.
All right.
All right.